Hey guys, I'm down at Ocean Beach. It's been hammering down with rain, and this flood drain here has cut all that out there. I've found a couple of 2s and 1s already along here, and I've just found a penny, and I've got another buzz here. So I'm going to just dig that while we're on camera and see if this is... I've got the Bounty Hunter TX4, which discriminates against everything and just leaves me coins only. So compared to the Sea Hunter, where I have to dig everything, this is so easy. Now this isn't going to have to make me dig a foot deep or anything stupid like this. This is only going to be 12 inches maximum, 10 inches maximum, and I'm just doing this because too many things in my hand. Alright, let's see, here we go. Where's the buzz now? Alright, it's over there.